Ooh, On streets of life, no gold in sight, but His love shines in the darkest night. With corns in hand and dreams so wide, He builds a world where we can hide. He's my hero, though the world may not see. Rich in love, He is everything to me. Holding us close, we rise and soar. In His arms, we need nothing more. No wealth to flaunt, no jewels to wear, but He gives His all beyond compare. Through the struggle, He stands so tall. A man who loves, He gives His all. Selfie, a priceless frame, a memory etched in love's burning flame. Though the world sees little, we feel so much. A father's love, the warmest touch. Though the world may not see, He's rich in love, He's everything to me. Holding us close, we rise and soar. In His arms, we need nothing more. Through every storm, through every trial, He gives us strength, He makes us smile. Not with gold, but a heart so pure. With love like His, we'll endure. In His eyes, the stars align. A father's love, a gift divine. Though not rich, He gives His best. He's my dad, my heart's true rest.